everyone. In this tutorial, I'll be letting you know what the Kasernet Credentials App is and how to create your own policy. So first of all, when you create your account, you have to download the Credentials app from the free trial email. So go ahead and download the application. It's short and should take only around 10 seconds. Once downloaded, it will look something like this. As you can see, we have multiple options live on the left side, carrier services, e-commerce, marketplaces, shipping location, payment, order mapping, SKU, and export. So let's go to carrier first. As you can see, we have multiple carrier services ranging from UPS, American Express Postal Service, FedEx, and DHL. So if you want to add your carrier service, you can just select it and add your contact name, account number, and meter. Account number and meter can be located from your shipper's dashboard in your FedEx account. Next one is e-commerce. So in this section, you can add your e-commerce stores or shopping cart stores if you like BigCommerce, WooCommerce, MyShop, and Capely. So if you want to add WooCommerce, you can add contact name, consumer key, consumer secret, API path. All these three informations, this consumer key, consumer secret, and API path, can be located from your dashboard in WooCommerce, admin dashboard. Contact name can be anything you want to refer your store as. Same goes for the marketplace. If you want to select Amazon, Etsy, eBay, or Sears, just click on one, add contact name, client ID, client secret, consumer key, region, account token, API path, and consumer secret. Account name is usually what you want to refer your marketplace as. Rest of them you can locate from your admin dashboard. Once done, you can press save and it will appear in your marketplace data. Next one is shipping location. This is called this is your section to add your ship from location. So as you can see, you can add name, company, city, street, state, and country, and more. So this is also for the carrier service. Like if you select a carrier service, they will know where to pick up the order from. So you can also select if this is a residential address. You can select yes or you can select no. If you select no, that means you're transferring the package from either a warehouse or a factory. If you press yes, that means this is a residential address and you're keeping the inventory in your house. Once done, you can press save and it'll be in your shipping data here. The next one is payment. As you can see, we have three options: ACH, PayPal, and your personal card. If you want to add PayPal, there should be a 3% surcharge that will be applied to PayPal payments. You can add username, password, client secret, and client ID. Next one is order mapping. So to enable MyShop to interpret the order format, the Credential app allows customers to map their orders, ensuring seamless recognition by commerce. So this is what a general order sheet looks like. Usually this is a good layout for manual data entry, but for MyShop to be able to read and execute a policy, you need to edit the data in our format. And this is what our format looks like. Next one is SKU. So SKU is short for stock keeping unit, and it is a unique identifier assigned to a specific product or item in inventory. Each SKU is a distinct code that helps businesses track and manage their stock levels, sales, and replenishment needs. This information is also required for the carrier to calculate shipping charges, like this: part number, quantity, price, short description, length, inch. Next one is height. You can also select the weight in ounces, lb, or kgs. Pretty much all for your accessibility. Next one is export. In this one, you can just go ahead and export the sheet you just created. Go ahead and save it, and you're good to go. Now, all you have to do is import this policy to your Commerce web application, and you're good to go. Your outcomes will follow the exact policy that you just entered. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.